Meri cia mĩrigo iria ikoretwo ikĩingĩra gĩcukĩro-inĩ kĩa Meri kĩa Mombasa nĩ ciongererekete na gĩcunjĩ kĩa 10.9 harĩ igana mwaka mũthiru wa 2025. Mũrũgamĩrĩri mũnene wa gĩcukĩro gĩkĩ nĩwe Captain William Ruto augĩte ũndũ ũyũ ũcũngĩrĩirio nĩ meri iria ikoretwo ikĩingĩra bũrũri-inĩ tũriganĩtie wa Tanzania iria ihũthĩkaga kana ihĩtũkagĩra gĩcukĩro-inĩ gĩkĩ kĩa Mombasa. Ruto augĩte meri imwe nĩ igũkorwo igĩtwarwo gĩcukĩro-inĩ kĩa Lamu nĩguo kũnyihia mũhatĩkano Mombasa.
Domestic markets cargo grew more faster than our expectation. And I think also it is important for you to know that SKPA, we have a master plan that based on the projections that we undertake is how we plan now our expansion as SKPA. Our earlier projection that we had undertaken in 2022 was that by 2029, the volumes we are handling now is what we should have been handling. So you can see that the issue of capacity constraints has caught us off guard. We went marketing the port of Mombasa for more cargo, but we've received more cargo than expected because of the geopolitical situations within this region. But we are saying as a port, we are ready and we are working around the clock to ensure that we reduce the congestion. We have a roadmap, and I'm also with my operations general manager here. We have given ourselves that by the beginning of the first week of February, the issue of congestion will not be something that you will hear.